Hello everybody! This is an easy video about easy breakfast, and today we're going to make oatmeal with honey. The ingredients that we need is oats, honey, and milk. In a bowl, you put 3 big scoops. Not 4, 3. 1, 2. I think I know how to make oatmeal with honey. 3. Look at that. That is perfect. That is perfect. Next, you put some milk. Now you put the oatmeal in the microwave. Now we wait about 3.5 minutes. I love that smell. Oatmeal. It smells peaceful and delicious. It's almost done. Gotta go all the way to 1. Really? Oh my gosh. Done! Say to your mommy or adult in your home to take it out because it's super dangerous with hot things. Now you need to put some honey. And after that, more milk. Okay. Yeah. Now you need to wait for 5 minutes. When it's done cooling off for 5 minutes, it's ready to eat. And let's see how it tastes like. Wow, so good. That's it. Enjoy your oatmeal with honey. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye. See you in the next easy breakfast.